Okay, so you want to edit your YouTube videos. You want to put in an intro and an outro, but you're not sure which software to use. Perhaps you don't want to use an app. You'd rather use your standard desktop software. So in this video, we're going to have a look at DaVinci Resolve, which is a free software. It's very popular. It's a very good software, and that's coming up after the intro. How's it going, everybody? My name is Trevor. Welcome to another episode of Transporter Tech. And in this video, we're going to have a quick look today at DaVinci Resolve. It's just going to be a real quick overview. It's not a full review. There's plenty of those on the internet already. On YouTube already. I'm just going to do a real quick run through and see what we would have to do to just add an intro and end screen to our videos, okay? So now I'm going to fire up DaVinci Resolve for the first time. I've not used the program before. This is my first time using it. Okay, so here we are. From what I understand, okay, we got your media pool. We need to import some stuff. We're gonna do it through their file. You could just drag and drop stuff, but I'm gonna do it like this because I've got some files set aside specifically for that. Okay, so we're gonna import. We got their intro. Here's my little demo clip of me just saying blah blah blah, which is super hilarious. And then an end screen, and bam. So now we're on. Oh, I guess we have to. Boy, I don't know. I'm learning this stuff the same way as you guys are, but it's not super hard. Like, I don't know, I forget. You see, yeah, it's a little more complicated than your standard. So right off the bat, I'm thinking using apps is probably a lot easier than trying to use this. I have a lot of experience editing though, so it's only a simple matter to go in and figure it out. But yeah, this may not be the best program for beginners. Okay, so we create a new timeline with this clip. This little thing up here to move in and out. So, okay, now we'll play it to figure out. How's it going, everybody? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. And blah. That's coming up after the intro. Okay, so now we should be able to, yeah. Let's see. Blade. So yeah, we're gonna cut that, remove this, and then we're going to drag our intro there and put it back. So now that's coming up after the intro. So, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so now we have our intros in there, and we just simply drag our end screen to the end here and move it over. So, have a good one. Bye. Okay, so that's it, really. That's just a quick look at how to do it. It's not super hard, but if you're new to video editing altogether, I don't know. Perhaps this software isn't actually the best one for a beginner to start with. I'll have to do a follow-up video to this. From here, though, we would just we want to export or render. Sometimes it's either render or export. But yeah, this is like more complicated than I thought. Maybe I can't really recommend this particular software. When you compare it to using an app, this is much harder, much trickier to figure out than an app, you know. And for YouTube videos, this might be considered overkill. I can't recommend this software for beginners to edit YouTube videos. Once you've gained some experience, that's a different story. But for right now, I'm gonna have to move on to a different software for that, because I'm looking for the best apps and software to edit YouTube videos for beginners, and this is not one. I hate to say it, unless somebody else disagrees. I know some of you out there use this. If you disagree, let me know. Make your own video showing how easy it can be, because I don't think it's not hard. I can figure it out, but right now, yeah, I can't recommend it. All right, this is Trevor with Transporter Tech. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Peace.
For product reviews, tutorials, and other ride-sharing resources, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so we can continue to bring you further content. Thank you for watching.